Hey guys, I want to give you guys a quick introduction to today's video. This is not going to be an update video, but as you guys can see, the warehouse is looking a lot different from the last time you guys saw it. We've made a lot of progress, and I want to do a fully dedicated update video here very soon. I also want to show you guys the progress we've made on the shop in the front of the building here. And then we've also started to work on the unit next door, which is the detailing studio. So we'll also be showing you guys that. But what I want to do today is obviously we're going to be doing some detailing, and I want to try out this new product by Avalon King, which is called the Armour Shield Lite. And essentially what this product is just like the name says, it's a light version of their ceramic coating that you guys have seen me use in the past. So they call it a fast ceramic spray. And just like a real ceramic coating, this product provides great hydrophobic properties, and it will also make the surface very, very slick. So yeah, actually I've already had a chance to use this earlier this week. I've made a video on a Porsche Panamera, which is coming in a few days, so stay tuned for that. But what we're going to be doing today is I think we're going to be giving the company van a well-deserved wash. And man, this thing actually needs a full detail, but I haven't had the chance to do just yet. So yeah, we'll be trying this product out once again, and you know, we'll see how long it lasts. So stick around. All right, it's actually the next day here, and I have just pulled the car back outside. It's washed, it's dried. I haven't done any other prep work other than that. So what we're gonna do now is we're going to apply the Armour Shield Lite, and we'll do a 50-50 comparison on the hood here so that you guys can see the hydrophobic properties of the product. And as you guys can see, this product is really easy to apply. It doesn't leave any streaks. And do a second wipe with this towel. And just a little bit more here so that we get a nice 50-50. You can already tell it feels super slick. Okay, so we'll do a little test here just to show you guys how easily the water glides off the surface. And we will do one more test with the pressure washer. You can just see how easy it is to dry the car with water. All right, so I'm gonna be applying this to the rest of the car. And man, this product is super easy to use. It also doesn't need any curing time, so you can just simply apply this. You don't have to wait to drive the car or to get the car wet. Doesn't matter, it doesn't need any curing time, and it will last anywhere from 1 to 3 months. So, and once again, can be used as a standalone product, standalone protection, or you can use this to top off your existing ceramic coating. So yeah, I'm gonna finish up applying the product. And if you guys would like to see like a full detail on this car in a future video, let me know, because this thing really needs a detail, man. It's covered in swirls, so it really needs to be polished and protected. So let me know if you guys would like to see that. And then one thing I would like to mention is I know there's been a little bit of a delay with the videos lately, but I've just been so busy and I couldn't keep up with the usual schedule. So just wanted to let you guys know that there are coming some really good videos, and one will be on this thing in the back here, and then I also have a Porsche Panamera video coming really soon, so stay tuned for that. And I want to thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys next time.